Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Camargo, or near Mount Sterling, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Sterling, Jeffersonville, Camargo, Ewington, Clay Lake, Mains, Levy, Cornwell, Howards Mill, Rothwell, Walker's Crossing, and Cedar Groves. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.